How to turn on autoplay on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings. And here we want to click on account. And then scroll down and click on cellular data use. And here, as you can see, you will find the data saver option. And it says when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. Meaning that if you turned off this option, the videos will load in advance and they will be autoplayed automatically, which is what you want. It's that easy and simple. You just have to turn off the data saver. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and activate the autoplay feature on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.